What's up, everybody? Thanks for joining me. We just bought this 2021 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 170 high roof cargo van, and unfortunately I haven't been able to find any useful information about disabling the rear backup alarm that comes with it. I can see how this would be useful given the van is so large, but unfortunately for us, we're in a lot of residential areas and it's pretty obnoxious at the moment. The disconnect is pretty straightforward. It should take you less than 5 minutes, so let's get into it. You can see the speaker here mounted on the back side of the bumper, along with the quick connect here for disconnection. Simply separate those. I'm going to throw a zip tie on here to keep this up and out of the way. All done. So that's it. Pretty simple. Thanks for joining in. Hope this helped. More to come.